Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Whatever the look you're after, there's a Nichiha architectural wall panel to help you achieve it. This animated installation video series is a new way for us to share with you our inside story and show you what's possible with our fiber cement system solution.
Panel removal and replacement. Begin the panel replacement by setting the depth of the circular saw slightly deeper than the panel so the saw blade does not cut into the building wrap or the sheathing. Make cuts in the panel and break into pieces for easy removal.
Attach a 10mm spacer at the bottom of the opening.
Prepare the replacement panel for installation by removing the appropriate shiplapped edges to allow panel insertion and seal all exposed edges. Set the new panel in position and lift the panel in place. Drill and countersink pilot holes and fasten the panel at each stud location with corrosion-resistant screws. Fill countersunk screw heads with color-matching polyurethane sealing.
For more videos and more information about our complete line of fiber cement architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.